Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and what are you doing? Sit. Go on, sit. Sit. Good boy. Anyway, so there have been these two big birds. If you can see the nest, it's like right there. Anyway, so I climbed up the tree and to find something really cool. No, there are no baby birds. Wait, how am I gonna get up here? If I have a phone in my hand, I'll manage, you guys. I'll find a way. Right there. Mama's home. Whoa. Do you guys see her? Hi, baby. Hi, birdie. Hi, I'm sorry. Hey, so sorry to disturb your nest and all, but can I just get up there and take a few pictures? No? I'm feeling very scared. Please don't attack me. Oh. So I might as well show you guys the mom. It's right up there. I'm trying to make squeaky noises. Where'd you go? Where'd she go? I hope she can't see me. Okay, so see the nest? I'll try to give you guys a really good view. It's right here in the middle of the screen. I know I shouldn't be doing this because Mama might get angry. Also, my mom will get angry. Okay. Okay. Whew. In the tree. Ow. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm not gonna touch him, because in case you guys didn't know, it's really bad to touch birds' eggs, because then the mom will smell you, that she'll know that you touched them, because she'll be able to smell another person or animal's scent on the egg, and then she won't want the egg and she'll push it out of her nest. Or think it's an enemy. Or think it's probably dead, so please guys, don't touch birds' nests. Especially when the mama is probably watching. Those are some really nice birds there, though. Anyway, guys, so just came out of the pool, have a nice bathing suit. It's a tiger. So I don't even know where the mom is, where Mama Bird is, but I know that she's probably not happy, so okay. Whoa, my phone has 57 minutes to record. That's nice. That's something new, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Okay, Mom, whatever. Stop. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.